Dad, can we talk for a moment?
Of course, son. What's on your mind?
Well, it's about Sarah. You know, we've been dating for a while now, and things are getting serious.
I've noticed that. You both seem really happy together.
Yeah, we are. But, Dad, I've been thinking a lot lately. What if I'm not ready for this level of commitment? What if I mess it up?
James. It's completely normal to have doubts and fears before taking such a big step. Tell me, what specifically is bothering you?
I love Sarah, Dad. I really do. But what if I can't make her as happy as she deserves? What if I'm not the right person for her?
Ah, son. Those are valid concerns. But let me share something with you. Your mother and I had our doubts before we got married too.
Really? You and Mom?
Yes. Even after all these years, we still have our moments. Marriage isn't always perfect, but it's about working through the imperfections together.
So, what should I do, Dad?
Well, first, understand that marriage isn't about being perfect, it's about being there for each other, supporting one another through thick and thin. You're not alone in this, James.
That makes sense. But what if we have arguments? I don't want to fight with Sarah.
Arguments happen in every relationship, son. It's how you handle them that matters. Always communicate openly and respectfully. Listen to her perspective. And don't let anger take over.
Communication. Got it. What else can I do?
Well, showing appreciation is crucial. Let Sarah know how much you value her. Not just with words but also with your actions. Small gestures of gratitude go a long way.
I do appreciate her. And I try to express it, but I can do more.
That's the spirit. And remember, spending quality time together is essential. Plan dates, even if they're just at home. It keeps the romance alive.
We do enjoy our time together. But, what about personal time, Dad?
Personal time is equally important. Don't forget to nurture your own interests and friendships. A happy you will make for a happier relationship.
Thanks, Dad. But what if we can't agree on something?
Disagreements are part of life, James. Don't be afraid of them. Always be fair and respectful during disagreements. And remember, compromise is key.
I'll keep that in mind. And what about trust, Dad?
Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Be responsible for your actions, and if you make a mistake, own up to it. Trust is earned through honesty.
Trust and honesty. Got it. But what if I can't let go of past arguments?
Holding on to the past doesn't help, son. Forgive and move on. It's essential to keep your focus on the present and the future you're building together.
Thanks, Dad. You've given me a lot to think about. I want to be the best husband I can be. Thanks, Dad. I love you.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.